Hello and welcome back. So guys, here in this class I'm just creating the other pages. The main page is the add new sale or add new purchase. So what I'm just doing, I'm just going down and actually I'm just simply creating a new page. I'm just copying the supplier list. I can copy anything, whatever, because you know that I have to create a new page from the starting. So right now I'm just typing add sale. Okay, so now go inside this add sale. Actually this will be the last page, because you know that we can copy the sale page and make them purchase page as well, because the sales page is same like the purchase page, not with really difference. So by the way, I'm just closing the previous pages which I actually don't need them. So okay, now what more I'm just doing, I'm removing the previous data from that page. As you can see, so now I've deleted all that text and then the table and then the the page header. I'm not removing the page header for now. Okay, manage it. That is perfect. Now instead of the supplier list, I'm just typing here the add new sale. Save and go to the browser and refresh. Now when I just click on the add sale, oh, the add sale is .html and the page name is add sale. That is perfect. So actually we have to change this thing, the add sale, from add sale to add sale, add sales to add sale. So here add sale, where is the sale option? Here is the sale option in the line number 43. So save this and go to there, and line number 43 sale. You can change this by your own hand, this is not really typical. Where is this one, the sale, add sale. I just did this. Now save and refresh. Actually we cannot refresh that one. Just simply remove the sale and make this add sale. Now this is a page we got. So what more I need to create in the add sale.html page? Actually I'm just going there just after the page header and creating a div, and here the class I'm adding with this div, the form group. Okay, and here what I'm just doing in this form group, and why I'm not creating a complete form, I'm not putting the form group inside the form, because I'll just show you why. Label, because I just don't want to process this one as a general form. You have to use the Ajax. Okay, with it I'll just show you why and how. So here I'm just adding the text, the customer name or the client name, whatever. You can type the client name as well, client name, and then go there and create the not the div, actually the input type text cover. Save and go to the browser. But before I'm going to the browser, just add the class of the form control. Save and go to the browser, back and refresh. Now this is a client name. Now the thing is that when I just type the name of the client, it should show automatically, and I have to have the ability to select anyone. I'm just showing you how it should work. Just for an example, I'm just creating the data list tag. Okay, and in this data list tag, what I'm just doing, creating the many options, just showing you an example. You can use that or you can use any other way, whichever you prefer. I'm just typing here the John, your client names, okay, the John and the Mark, the Elizabeth, okay, Elizabeth, and then the Michael, spelling mistake, okay. That's perfect. Now then Sean. Now save and go to the browser. Before going to the browser, we have to add something like actually I have to remove the whole type here. Instead of the type, I have to type the list, and the value in the list I'm just typing the CL name. Okay, now here I'm adding an ID, CL name. Okay, so the CL name is the list attributes value here, and this should be the same to get the perfect result. So I'm just going to the browser and refreshing. Now I type J, I got the list of John. Okay, if I just type for example the S, so Sean, so I just selected the Sean, then I should proceed to the next one. This is a single way. You can use the Ajax, you can use any other way, any other technique to select any client, then you can proceed to the next one. The next step should be the new product selection. So I'm just going just after this form group, the HR, save and refresh. Now I just apply the line here, going there and just adding, actually just creating another form group, and inside this one I'm just creating the label first, and here the value I'm just putting after the client name the product name, and then here the input type, and then here the text, and then the class form control, save and go to the browser and refresh. Now here this is another thing. Now here we have to do the same. I'm just copying this one and just pasting there, and again the same thing, that we can't use the type, we have to use the list, and the value should be PR names. Okay, now there should be the PR name. We have to type some kind of product names like the best choco, and here the energy cells, anything, whatever, mango flavor, bubble gum, anything you can type. Okay, so there, just some more things, a few more, the top, wait for a file, top popcorns. Okay, I'm just thinking the name and I'm just typing that name, so this is not necessary to be the same name. You can create your own, you can create the perfect ones. So here I'm adding another thing, just like the high-tech PC, save and go to the browser and again refresh. Now just like the client name, we have to select the name, the product name, and then the product should be added automatically, the where. Just after this one we have to create an heading, so I'm just creating that. Okay, so here I'm just creating, adding class page header and the h4, and what I'm just putting here, the ordered items, save and then go down. So there, the table. Okay, well, I think I should proceed from the table because there are a lot of things, so I'll just teach you more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.